Hello.
Sir. Dr. Tiwari. What is the update?
What is the update
How
of the?
All the treatment is going on. Patient admitted. Monitoring is going on.
सर ज़्यादा लगा है पेशेंट्स को किधर किधर लगा आपको
कितने पेशेंट्स अभी एडमिट है?
There are 5 patients who are having 12% injury, okay, and they are recovering very fast. And I hope that by tomorrow or day after tomorrow they will be able to discharge. Only one girl is there who is having something 28% injury. Okay, the rest are they are in better condition.
One is seriously injured.
Injured means one girl is there, okay, who is 20 years old, and but she is also recovering. It is not that she is not recovering; she is also recovering, and our efforts are that to make them fully recover, okay, so that they can go home very fast.
So how many percent you said?
Total 5 people are there.
How many percent?
बॉयज हैं ना हमें गर्ल्स
So 4 boys are there and one girl is there who is 20 years old. Okay, so altogether 5 patients are there who are admitted for burn injury in GMC.
तो गर्ल
Only injuries, burn injuries, or
Only one
any lung
injury.
issues.
So कितना
only one
percent है?
injury.
Burn injury कितना percent है?
Yeah, mostly it is in the range of 12%.
12%.
Lung issues.
Yeah, one is 29%. That girl is total little higher side, 29%.
Monitor and
Yeah,
see.
yeah, but they are monitoring. They are monitoring.
And the death figure how many is?
Altogether 25. It is already reported.
Okay.
Correct. Yes, yes. 25.
Okay, identification
No
is done.
lung
no?
issues.
Identify, I think 6 are identified, okay, but remaining also will be identified. Families are coming, okay. So most probably, I think by tomorrow all will be identified.
Out of
इंजर्ड हुए उनका
25.
आइडेंटिफिकेशन हुआ है जो अभी इंजर्ड हुए जो
How injured they are no, so they can speak no.
So out of 25, 6 are identified.
Yeah, 6 are identified.
Any medical bulletin published from the GMC site, your site?
CMC.
Any updates you will be provide?
We'll provide the updates today itself.
ओके
Only
Sir,
burn
कितल्या
injuries or any respiratory some issues.
रेस्पिरेटरी आता आम्ही काय कमेंट करू शकना कळ्ळें न्ही वी डोंट नो इंटरनली कितें जालां तें कळ्ळें न्ही अनलेस डॉक्टर्स एसेस देयर रिक्वायरमेंट देन विल इन्फॉर्म
ते स्मोकान आशिल्लें
स्मोकान आसलें करेक्ट
सो आसूं शकता न्हू तेंकां सगळें.
असू शकता सो इट इज नॉट बेटर दॅट वी कमेंट ऑन दीस ओके रायट नाव आता ते प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट झाल्यानंतर कळटलें ते समजलें न्ही
Okay. Thank you.